What is trikonasana? Trikonasana, also called triangle pose, is a foundation standing pose in yoga that strengthens and lengthens the hamstrings and groin, while also opening the shoulders and stretching the hips. Trikona is a Sanskrit word for triangle, while asana means pose. The foundational posture is named for the triangle shape your body makes as you bring your bottom hand to the floor and keep your feet grounded during the move. 5 benefits of trikonasana. Like many yoga poses, trikonasana carries a few benefits for your body and mind, such as 1. Increases stability. Trikonasana activates your core muscles, which aids in balance and stability. 2. Stretches and lengthens the spine. This pose can reduce stiffness in the spine and back, resulting in increased flexibility. 3. Opens the hips and shoulders. Trikonasana unlocks the hip flexors and shoulders, increasing mobility and reducing injury risk. Perform this pose on both sides to get equal benefits to the right hip and left hip. 4. Stimulate your organs. Trikonasana activates your core and upper body, which can stimulate your digestive organs, potentially improving your metabolism. 5. Reduces stress. Trikonasana can target the lower back, which is where some people carry their stress. This pose can help release that tension, resulting in reduced anxiety and a more stable emotional state. How to do trikonasana? Despite its simple appearance, there are a few key steps to follow when performing this yoga pose. 1. Position your body. Starting in the mountain pose or Tadasana, move your feet a little wider than shoulder width apart and extend your arms so they're parallel to the ground, with your palms facing down. If you're starting on the right side, the right foot should be at a 90-degree angle with the end of the mat, with your left foot at a 45-degree angle. 2. Bend to the side. Take a deep breath, then exhale as you bend your body at the hip joint, extending to the side, over the right leg, towards the right heel, if you're starting on the right. Keep the sides of your waist long, not scrunched. Lengthen your tailbone towards your back heel. Free reach with your arms. As you reach your right arm down to your right foot, gently grab your ankle with your right hand. At the same, your left arm should be extending upwards, with the fingers of your left hand pointed towards the ceiling, forming a straight, vertical line with your arms and shoulders. 4. Hold and repeat. With your shoulders aligned, turn your head and look up to the ceiling. Briefly hold, then return to the starting neutral position, and repeat with the left leg. 3 tips for performing trikonasana. Before performing any new exercise, consult your doctor to determine if it's right for you. The trikonasana may seem simple, but it can be less effective when performed incorrectly. To successfully execute trikonasana, check out the following. 1. Keep your legs straight. If you're reaching towards your front foot, but can't quite get there, avoid bending your knee, which can make the pose less effective. If knee bending continues to be an issue, place a yoga block beside your extended leg to use for leverage. Learn more about using yoga props in our complete guide. 2. Avoid bending your back. The trikonasana is not a forward bend, but a sideways movement at the hips, performed with straight arms and legs. Avoid bending your back and rounding your spine while performing a trikonasana to prevent back pain or injury. Your side body should form the shape of the letter I, rather than C. Free engage your muscles. While this pose may seem simple to execute, it does require the active engagement of your core and thighs as well as your upper body to be effective. As you sink into the foundation pose, keep those muscles tightened to receive all of the benefits.